Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases, which I believe to be the tail end of the Christmas sets for this year. There are 3 collections along with 2 monthlies, a foil bundle, 10 doodles, and then the limited edition color of the week. Let's go ahead into the releases. 2 of these are reformats, and then this one here is new exclusive art. Really excited, but let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is we will go through the limited edition color for this week, which is a really pretty navy, which I thought was perfect for the winter, and it is the same normal 6 sheets as usual. Y'all have been loving this, and I am super excited about it, and I can't wait to start pulling them into different spreads. Been trying to pick colors that aren't really represented in the colors of the doodles normally. So if you have any suggestions on what colors that you want to see in the future, definitely let me know in the comments down below. The next thing I have are the 10 doodles for this week. This is going to be 331 through 340. Here is a Christmas sampler, so some different doodles. And then this one has different treats on it. Then there is also the Christmas squad. So you have Mrs. Claus, Mr. Claus, and a reindeer. Then next there is some different hands. So you have holding ornaments, gingerbread, and then also the little pen in both green and red. And both this and the squad have 2 different color reds, and then 2 different color greens kind of to match different spreads, and then 4 different skin tone options there. Then there is also like a pink Christmas, which is super cute, a different doodle all throughout there. And same on here, there is no duplicates of doodles on this page, no duplicates on this page. And then there are a couple multicolor pages. So here is the little ornaments. This one is wrapping, which I thought would be good for Christmas or for any other time, like birthdays and things like that. There is scissors, which would be great for gift wrapping, but also for crafting. And then this one here has a bunch of crafting supplies. So you have scissors and ribbon, papers, and things like that. And then last but not least, there is also some candy canes in the pastel colorway. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. We do have a foil bundle for this week, which is so pretty. I am like obsessed with this. So this is like a hollow, like a starry hollow. I guess that's the best way of putting it. Starry hollow in the celestial format. So here is the full box page, the normal celestial format. You have your 6 full boxes and glitter header overlays. You get 2 pages of those. You get 2 pages of the bougie boxes. You get a page of the scripts and icons, as well as the bottom washi fancy headers, the deco, and then the date numbers. And then there is also the matte sampler if you want to add that on. And you can see the pattern a little bit better here. So pretty. There you go. Look at that with my flashlight. It's gorgeous, especially in the celestial format. I just think it's such a fun foil bundle. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Why is this the prettiest like foil has ever looked? Love that. So this will be available with new releases Wednesday at noon Eastern, and the foil bundles are on special pricing through Monday, along with the matte sampler being available and the color of the week being available. For the doodles, those are only available through Monday. Now let's get into the kits. So like I said, I do have 3 kits along with 2 monthlies. So let's go into the new exclusive art first. This is the last of the Christmas art that I have planned. I don't know if there's going to be any more that come out from other artists, but this is kind of the tail end for me. So this one is called Merry Christmas Baby, and I like doing kind of like a classic Christmas every year. I feel like mine always tend to be a little bit more modern because that's kind of like my vibe, but we have so many Christmas kits this year. I feel like we kind of hit like lots of different things with colorways and different movies and things like that. So here is Merry Christmas Baby. So you have the 2 double box scenes, 2 flat lays, a fashion option, and then the super cute gingerbread house. I am just obsessed with everything in this. I love the ornaments in the container, and then the house. She's cute. the living room scene, the gifts and the stocking, and it's also pretty with these colors. And then in the ultimate kit, you do get the 2 extra boxes. So this has a little planner with a Christmas to-do list and a wreath, and then just a like Louis bag with a little candle next to it. And I love, 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 love these colors. I think this would look really pretty with gold. It could look pretty with silver. It could look pretty with matte bronze. You could do a mixed gold and silver. I think it could also look really pretty with a black foil if you wanted to do something a little bit edgier, or like a matte taupe, or a red sparkly, or a green. There's lots of options here. So this is the kit. Again, love these colors. I love like the darker kind of tones with the foil on top. It just makes whatever you pick so much better. And then the bottom washi is like a candy cane stripe. You have an extra fashion box here. And then the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the black extra color. Super, super cute. I love this kit. I think I'm going to be using this either Christmas week or the week before Christmas week. I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to be doing my kit picking probably like this week. So y'all will be there with me trying to figure it out. It's going to be hard decisions all around. Then let me show you the mini kit format. All of the kits this week and most always come in ultimate and mini formats. So here are the full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page, the mini kit page, the bottom washi, and then the same freebie. So that is the mini kit, which is our more affordable option. And then let's go into the add-on options. So first things first, there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on, as well as the label sampler. And then there is also fan boxes for this one. So the fan boxes has a tall fashion option here. And then there is kind of like a toddler / kid age here, and then a little baby, because baby box was kind of a baby pregnancy kind of box was requested. So I thought that that'd be cute addition to the fan box for this one. So same 6 fan options as per usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So cute. So that is the final exclusive art for this year. The other 2 kits for this week are reformats. I wasn't planning on doing these initially, but I had a little bit of extra room in production, so I went ahead and reformatted these. These were available last year, and I think only this one I might have redid the boxes. I think the other one I was like still in love with like the way that the boxes look, so I just kept it. So this one I did reformat the boxes a little bit. So let's go through this. So this one is called Christmas Party, which is perfect for, you know, having a Christmas party, or if you have a birthday during the month of December, November, January. Super, super cute. And I did, like I said, reformatted the boxes, and I think they turned out adorable with the marble in the background. You could pull in marble multicolor. I feel like this one you could do, again, gold, silver, mixed metal. You could do hollow, sparkly hollow. That celestial starry hollow format would be really cute with this. A pink foil, a teal foil, a baby blue, like an icy blue would be really pretty as well. Pink, again, lots of options. So I just think this kit is so pretty. You have your tall box here. There is a faux mixed metal glitter throughout, but again, I think you could totally use any of those foils. Deco page, glitter headers, half boxes, labels, pattern labels, bottom washi, which I love. And then this is the add-on, like these colors together are just everything. And then the extra box and on the washi page, and then you have the freebie of the alternate skin tones as well. And I love those nails. They are definitely goal nails. So that is Christmas Party. Like I said, all of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini. Y'all, I have a reformat coming next week. I just want to say something. I have a reformat coming next week that I feel like no one has asked for it to be reformatted that I can remember. It's never on any list, but I was like, I think they just forgot, and like when they see it, they're gonna be like, oh wow, oh okay, we needed this. Just letting you know, it's not a Christmas kit, but it turned out really cute. So it's never been reformatted for, so I'm really excited about it. I just want to let you know because like I just thought about it and it's so beautiful. So anyways, so there is the Christmas Party kit. There is add-on options of the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then there is also fan options for this one as well, which you have 4 different full boxes here in the 6 standard options. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is Christmas Party. The fashion option here is like gray hair, so I thought that was cute. I think it went really well with like the marble. Love that. And then last but not least on the kits, we do have Christmas, which was our like classic modern Christmas for last year. Definitely different vibes. Let me show you this. Here's kind of like modern. This one reads like more modern. This one's a little bit more of like light farmhouse modern with like woodier details, darker, snowy. So let me go ahead and show y'all this one. So this one came out last year. I didn't change the boxes up because I thought they looked really, really cute as is. Again, you have marble in the background here and a lot of the classic Christmas colors. So let's go ahead and get into, oh, all 3 kits this week have fan boxes. I didn't even realize that. Okay, so here is the full box page. You have your extra boxes over here. Your patterns are gorgeous. I love these colors with the, like the charcoal. Super, super pretty. Your labels, your pattern labels, your bottom washi. I love this plaid so much. I did do one of the Animal Crossing boxes in here because I thought it was just kind of like Christmas looking. And then the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is the tall box of the kitchen, which I thought was really, really cute. The add-on options, if you wanted to see the 15 millimeter, it's the red, which I thought would be really pretty. This would be another one I think would be really cool if you wanted to do, we could do like, you know, your gold, your silver, your matte bronze, I think, a red sparkly, a green sparkly, a, oh, there's so many. But I think it would be really cool if you did one of those with like black. Just hear me out. I think that'd be really cool. Like a sparkly red and a sparkly black. I think that'd be really, really cool. So that is Christmas. And like I said, that's a reformat from last year, but both of these reformats are exclusive art, so you won't find them anywhere else. So we do have the ultimate, the mini. There is the 15 millimeter strip if you want to add it on. There is the label sample if you want to add it on. There is the like switch. It was initially Animal Crossing, but it could be anything. But they did just do the huge like Animal Crossing like update information thing. So, but I thought these girls are really cute. They're actually probably one of my favorite girls. I just think her hair and just like the like tuck behind the ear with the earring and like, I don't know. She's just really cute and her little like red nails. And then there is also fam options if you want to add them on. So it's the normal 1 through 6 options. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And she's a cutie too. Like that's like an outfit that I'd wear every day. So that is everything for the kits. Let's go on to the 2 monthlies because I know a lot of y'all have been waiting for these. So I did decide to do Merry and Bright and then also the Merry Christmas Baby, which is the new exclusive art. This is art by Kitnish Jess. And I thought that between the two of them, you got like a classic Christmas vibe and then a bright Christmas vibe. And I think that they'd be cute if you wanted to do one in November, if you didn't want to do Thanksgiving, or if you wanted to do this one in January for the tail end of Christmas, or if you wanted to save one for next year. You have different vibes. So let's go through these really quickly. So these fit the Aura style inserts specifically. So her B6 inserts and then also her A5 wide inserts. So this is the B6 kit. So you have the top bars, the side or the boxes, some labels, boxes, fancy labels, some little pieces, box, and then a sidebar. So that is the B6 kit. This is the A5 wide kit. So you do have the top bars, some deco, then you have like the labels page, the boxes that line up in a row, the regular boxes and the large boxes, and then the 2 different sidebars and the labels on the bottom there. So that is the Merry Christmas Baby option. And then like I said, I decided to do 2. So this one is the Merry and Bright format. This is so, so pretty. I think out of all of the non-customs, this one in gingerbread sold the best so far. So here is the B6. This is so fun. And I feel like especially like the weekly kit, pulling it in as something that's a little bit different on the colorway, like it's not all reds and greens, kind of breaks it up a little bit. And it's super fun to kind of play around with different colors and foils and things like that. I feel like you could be really experimental on what foils you use with this kit as well. And then like you do also have the A5 wide option here. So cute. I love this Christmas tree with the rainbows. So pretty. So that is everything for this week. I am super excited for this week's releases. It's kind of like a little bittersweet because it is my last like official week of Christmas releases. I don't personally have anything else planned for Christmas, but you know, if really, really awesome, fun art comes out, I might consider it. But like I said, I have next week's releases are going to be so good. I'm so excited because the one kit, like I said, I don't think anybody's asked for it to be reformatted. Maybe they have, but just not to me. And whenever I thought about it, I was like, wow, okay, yes, it needs to be reformatted. And I'm so excited about it. But like I said, it's not Christmas, but y'all will see. It's one of those ones that could be a theme or could just be used whenever. So you'll have to wait till next week for that one, but I'm super excited about it. I just love the holidays because I feel like it's very like, you go from Halloween, you do a little Thanksgiving, a little Christmas, you do a little New Year's, you do a Valentine's Day, and it's just like an all-around fun time of like fun themes and just kind of seeing what's different every year. So like I said, there's the 2 monthlies. We have the 3 collections, 1 being new, 2 being reformats. You have the Starry Hollow Celestial format foil bundle, and then also the really pretty like it's like a little bit of like a lighter navy. It's like a royal blue, maybe a little bit darker than a royal blue. And then also the 10 new doodles for the week. So that is everything, my friends. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases. Again, they'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Otherwise, I will talk to you in my next video.